まもなく終着旭川です。どちら様も忘れ物のないようお支度ください。チケットホルダーをご利用のお客様は切符の取り忘れにもご注意ください。
Ladies and gentlemen, we will arrive at the Asahikawa terminal in a few minutes. Please be sure to take all your belongings with you. Watch your step when you get off, especially passengers with children. Thank you for traveling with us, and we look forward to serving you again.
各位旅客您好，列车即将到达终点旭川站，下车时请留意月台间隙，特别是带小孩同行的旅客，请多加留意。感谢您今天乘坐